Kawasaki is a name anybody who dwells in the world of motorcycles will recognize. It's a Japanese automaker best known for its long line of ninja motorcycles, but it also has a number of dirt bikes too. However, Kawasaki makes several products you might be surprised to learn about. Its manufacturing plants don't only produce motorcycles. The Japanese company also has been called on by the Japanese government to build airplanes from time to time. The company is also part of a team that assists with some rather well-known passenger planes, such as Boeing 777, but Kawasaki's military planes are used regularly by the Japan Air Self-Defense Force (JASDF) and the Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force. In 2007, the Kawasaki Aerospace Company created a patrol plane from scratch for its home country, meaning it's not based on a civilian aircraft. This plane is simply called the P-1, and it's designed for surveillance of the seas surrounding Japan. The P-1 has four turbofan engines that propel it at a speed of 538 knots and produce 13,000 pounds of force. Rather than use metal wiring that other planes use to connect their avionics, the P-1 has fiber optic wiring and is the first plane to do so. It's called a fly-by-optics flight control system, and it reduces electromagnetic disturbances that commonly affect fly-by-wire systems. The military needs transport aircraft, commonly referred to as cargo planes, and Kawasaki has made two for the JASDF. Kawasaki developed the C-2 when the JASDF required a transport plane capable of carrying more than the C-1's max payload of 26,235 pounds. The C-2 had its maiden flight in 2016 and began its service for the Japanese in 2017 with a max payload of 82,893 pounds. Kawasaki claims the C-2's 8,864 cubic foot cargo hold makes it a versatile cargo plane, capable of transporting a wide variety of cargo. However, for reference, a C-5 Galaxy has over 34,000 cubic feet of cargo space in its hold. Every nation needs a training plane for its aviators. For the Japanese, that's the T for intermediate trainer. It replaced the Lockheed Martin T-33 in 1988 and has served as the sole training aircraft for the Japanese Air Force since. It's a subsonic plane with two turbofans capable of reaching Mach 0.9 and climbing up to 50,000 feet within 5 minutes. The body is primarily made out of aluminum, but it has some parts made of a carbon composite to reduce its weight. Before it needs to refuel its 592-gallon tank, the T-4 can travel 901 nautical miles. Just as America's Air Force has the Thunderbird stunt team, flying F-16 Fighting Falcons, Japan has its own aerobatic team known as Blue Impulse. That's all for today. See you in another video.